Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. So this is my Claw Daddy's vlog. I'm actually gonna go dine out over there right now. I think it's about maybe 4 something. So yeah, we're all heading over there for our reservation is at 6 p.m. and I hope to see some of you guys there. So I just wanted to start off the vlog here and I'm gonna take you guys along with me throughout the evening. Vibe is crazy. DJ back there. We've come to the end of the day. I think it's literally about to be like 4 in the morning. 4:12. I'm just really tired. I've had a lot to drink. Took off my makeup, so if I look crazy, pardon me. And anyways, I'm talking really low and this is probably really stupid and boring because I'm just speaking. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.